This is Max from LiveKit, and today I'm going to show you how to use the LiveKit Unity SDK to turn your NPCs into voice AI agents. First, I will show you the LiveKit Unity agent sample project. We will then create our own agent on the LiveKit Cloud using the agent builder. Next, I will show you how to connect to that agent from Unity using a token source. And lastly, we will configure a tools call on the agent and a client-side reaction. But first, let's have a look at an example.
Peace be upon thee, traveler. I am brother Silas, a humble servant of the Lord, though I confess my heart oft longs for the sweet strawberry juice Linda keeps at the tavern. How may I aid thee this day?
Actually, I have a bottle of Linda's strawberry juice that I'm willing to share with you.
Bless thee, kind soul. Thou hast eased a burdened heart this day, for I crave Linda's strawberry juice more than I dare confess.
Let's first have a look at the Unity agent sample. If you have the LiveKit SDK included as a package, you can just go to the Samples tab and then import the agent sample down here. The sample is set up in a way that it connects you to an agent out of the box. In this case, it will be the homepage agent that you can also try out at livekit.com. In order to connect to an agent, you need a token source. So here you can see the pre-configured token source. It will generate a token for you that will also have the information to dispatch the homepage agent into your LiveKit room. Let's give it a try.
Hi there, I'm your LiveKit assistant, and I'm here to help you build some awesome voice.
Nice. So as you can see, when I press play, a token is already generated for me, holding the information to dispatch the homepage agent into my room. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your own agent in your LiveKit Cloud project. And here we are in our cloud project. As you can see, I have no agent configured here. So we will just deploy a new agent using the agent builder, choosing the generic assistant. Let's call it Church. And with the agent builder, you can just create agents, iterate it quickly in the browser without writing any code. Let's change first the system prompt here. We say, you are brother Silas, a priest that loves strawberry juice. And we can also change the voice, because right now it is a female voice. I will choose the in-world, and we choose the voice of Ronald. Let's give it a try. We can try it out exactly here.
Blessings to you, traveler. I am brother Silas, and I would be more than happy to help you with whatever you need while I enjoy a glass.
So this is working, and we can just deploy our agent to the cloud project. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how to create a token source in your project. There's a very easy way for development purposes. We call it the sandbox token server, which just runs in your project. So let's go to settings. And here we activate our token server on the project. So this is just for development purposes. It's not secure. There's no authentication. So if you want to switch to a production use case, for production you should have some more security. But for now this works. Let's copy the token server ID. I will see if my agent was deployed. Great, we've got our agent here. Okay, now we're back in our Unity project. As we saw before, this is set up to always connect to the homepage agent through this token source component here. We now want to exchange this token source for the one that we just created on our project. So in order to do that, we will create a new config. Let's call it church in this case. Switch the token source type to sandbox and just paste your ID in here. In order for us to always dispatch the agent to the room, we also have to give it the agent name, called ours church, and this will make the dispatch work. Let's hook that one up to the component and give it a try.
Blessings to you, my child. I am Brother Silas, and I would be honored to help.
Great, so this works as well. The last thing I want to show you now is how to set up a tools call on the agent. A tool is something that the agent decides to use based on a specific description in natural language. In this case, it will be us offering a strawberry juice to Brother Silas. We will also configure some call on the client side to react to the agent calling the tool. In this case, we will just exchange the background image. I'm back in my cloud project now, and we can always edit an existing agent by jumping back into the builder. In this case, I'm going to go to the Actions tab and add a client tool. We will call it give strawberry juice. And the description, that is the natural language description on which the agent decides if it should call the tool or not. In this case, let's say use this tool when offered a strawberry juice. We don't need any parameters for this call. And now we want our Unity client to register an RPC method that reacts to this tool call so that we can change something in our game. For that, we have to jump into the code now. Okay, now we are in our code, more specifically in the LiveKit agent session script. This script handles the whole connection to the LiveKit agent. And we now want to register an RPC call on the local participant as a reaction to the agent calling the tool. For that, I will go into the onRoomConnected function and say, on our local participant, we register an RPC method. And the first parameter is a string. This is the name that we gave the tool on the agent side. So this was give strawberry juice. And the second part is the function for the callback. Let's call it on strawberry juice given. And we can just let the IDE generate this one. So we've got it here now. First of all, let's say we log this. And then we also return the right value here. In this case, we could just return an empty string. Okay, nice. And the second thing I want to do as a reaction here is I want to exchange the background image as a reaction to the tool being called. For that, I go up here and I pass some things in the inspector. First of all, sprite for the church with strawberry juice. And also an image, which is the background image. Okay, let's go down here again, and after the log, we also say the sprite is supposed to be church with strawberry juice. Let's give it a try. Now in our Unity project, we just hook everything up that we just did. So first of all, I want to change the default background image to default Brother Silas. I have some images in my project here. So in this case, let's center it and make it a bit smaller. This should work. And then we added 2 fields to our LiveKit agent session script. Let's hook those up. Church with strawberry. And the background image is just this background image in the scene. Okay, let's give it a try.
Blessings to you, my child. I am Brother Silas, and I am here to help you with whatever you may need. How can I assist you today?
I have a strawberry juice for you. Here you go.
Oh, what a wonderful blessing. Thank you so much for your kindness. Is there anything I can do for you in return?
I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to add voice AI agents to your Unity project. To build your own agent with the Agent Builder, create a project at cloud.livekit.io, get the Unity package from our GitHub repository, engage with our community on community.livekit.io, or follow us on YouTube for more tutorials like this on how to build your own agents.